You might need a coffee to take you along for this one, because I'm not going to rush it. This dawn was too good to rush. I've been planning to do exactly this for years now. Everything had to happen just right in order to get this just right. This is a dead calm dawn paddle. For years I've been watching the weather. Either I've been working or other things get in the way, but there's absolutely nothing in the way this morning except the cold and the clock. But we beat those two for everything else, so why not this? There's high pressure, low winds, a rising tide. I just come off the early shift at work, so it's relatively easy to get up early. So many times I pass this estuary, either going to, at, or coming from work. And so many times it has been like this, but I have not. Not today though. It is hard to believe in this moment that this quiet little estuary is surrounded by 3 large suburban towns in North County Dublin. Hundreds of thousands of people, but it's just that none of them are here. I hear them, but I see this. Normally I am one of them, but today is my exception. Even though I am only 20 minutes from my house, today is exceptional. There are so many things in life that you build up in your mind and then they let you down. This was not one of those. At one point out there, when I was satisfied I had enough to tell this tale to you, I switched off all my cameras and drifted in silence. In a flat calm, all above you matches all beneath you. You are floating for a moment in space, and I would say also in time. Normally, you have to be in the process of crashing your car, or nearly at least, for time to slow down this much. But the stillness of this was so dramatic that it felt that way. Every moment so deeply engraved in my memory that it felt like time had slowed down, happily, without a crash. There are a few good coffee shops around here, and they know their stuff. But I would argue, though, that on this morning I've got them trumped. I would rather be nowhere else. Paddling before dawn is not without its risk. My mitigation for which was a thorough understanding of the weather, choosing an enclosed waterway, in-depth familiarity with this stretch of water, a rising tide, a dry suit, life jackets, waterproof phone, and an informed shoreline family member. Malahide Estuary is a special area of conservation, and this time of year there are a great number of geese, oyster catchers, and of course swans, most of whom were sleeping further up the marshes. I think you could achieve the same effect late on a summer's evening when twilight is much longer. The main reason I did not do this in summer was that I have the right gear for the winter, and more than anything, it is now winter, and now is always the time to take the chance where it presents. You might also say that as we emerge from the dark of winter, we need this now more than ever. This would also be safer in numbers, but that's an issue that comes part and parcel with shift work, and solitude is both its gift and its cost. Don't forget, these are the good old days. Plan it, prepare it, try it. It was, you could say, out of this world. Or perhaps you could say it was more in it than ever.